So, welcome everyone to another beautiful day in the Black Forest, to another Soul Drives video. You saw it in the intro, the weather was horrible over the last few days. I got the car for 3 days now in total, and I have to say, I'm totally in love with the car. I really enjoy the gearbox. I enjoy changing gears myself again. And that sound. Yeah, this car has quite a lot of work done to it. Let me explain. This is not your ordinary 996. This is it was a 996 Carrera. Now it has a completely custom built engine, custom suspension, short shifter kit on it. The whole interior is done with this beautiful Pepita everywhere. We got Recaro pole position seats. We have the 991.2 steering wheel in here. We got 6-piston brake calipers. I think they are from a 991. And as I already mentioned, a completely custom built engine, which is now a 4.1 liter. It produces 420 horsepower in such a lightweight, such an old car essentially, and that makes for some very good fun. It also has a different exhaust, as you could probably tell by the sound it makes. Yeah, just overall an insane car. This car was custom built by Werk 96. They are 996 specialists, and this car specifically is their development car. So a lot of hours went into developing this whole package and yeah, perfecting it essentially. And perfecting it is really what they've done here. This car feels kind of like a GT3 touring version of a 996. And that's only 7,000 RPM, which leads me to the next topic. This car, when I'm done driving it, when I'm done filming it, will go back to Werk 96 and they will rip it apart again, the engine, and it will get a 4.3 liter engine, which will rev to 8,000 RPM, and it will be something around 450 horsepower-ish. You heard that right. 4.3 liter flat 6 naturally aspirated in essentially a shell of a 996 Carrera. Mate, the founder of Werk 96, already told me that he doesn't need to have any other 911 anymore other than this one. He comes from racing air-cooled 911s and is in the business for like over 20 years or so, and he really fell in love with the 996 platform, as I do as well right now, kind of, and now he works on these cars. He's the specialist. I will link their Instagram actually below the video. Those downshifts. That's also something about these manual cars. When you get the downshift right, it's just such an amazing feeling. I mean, we know it from all the modern cars. They do it perfectly every single time. Even if you have a manual, you get the Sports Chrono package, nails the downshifts every single time. But if you have to do it yourself in a car like this, and you get it just right, it's the best feeling. And on a road like this is just the perfect car, I tell you. Nothing better than what we just got right here.